Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Vocabulary, adjectives. Write the words. ये letters लिखे हुए, इनकी मदद से हमने यहाँ पे अल्फाज लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट इनाम नदवी.
Yes, sir.
इनको पढ़े.
The right words. The pizza is delicious. Your sister is really nice.
Nice.
Our house is जी.
सही. उसके बाद लवली. ठीक है. LOVELY. लवली. आवर हाउस इज लवली.
सर आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं?
जी जी.
मैंने सोचा आपने कहा म्यूट कर दो. ठीक है सर. Our house is lovely. It's the weekend. I'm really happy.
Okay.
Our English lessons are
Interesting. Okay.
interesting.
Yes.
Paris is a beautiful city.
Yes.
Rain again. The weather is
Awful.
is
Awful.
awful. Yes, sir. Ugh, this coffee is disgusting.
Yes, disgusting. Match the words in the picture. वो कह रहा है अल्फाज को और पिक्चर्स को आपस में बनाए. इनको हमने आपस में इकट्ठा करना है. कल याद है कर लिया था. ठीक है. चलिए. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट हमारे पास है अरीशा जुनेरा.
यस सर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Three.
7.8 Adjectives. 1.
It's so hot today, isn't it?
Oh, I know. It's 35 degrees.
2.
Hey?
इसकी लगता है ऑडियो नहीं. 7.8 ये है. ठीक है. इसकी ऑडियो नहीं आई. आप खुद ही करते हैं. इट्स बिग, इट्स स्मॉल. ठीक है. ये अल्फाज
Okay.
लिखे हुए की वजह से. नेक्स्ट.
It's C. It's okay.
इनकी वजह
It's
से.
hot.
Yes.
It's cold.
It's hot, it's cold. Okay.
It's expensive. It's cheap.
सही.
It's old. It's new.
सही.
It's right. It's wrong.
Yes.
It's dirty and it's clean.
ठीक हो गया. Listen and complete the conversation. वो कह रहे सुने और फिर जो conversation है इसको मुकम्मल करें. आयशा खान.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम.
How many languages does your teacher speak?
3.
7.8 Adjectives. 1.
It's so hot today, isn't it?
Oh,
Repeat करें.
It's so hot today, isn't it?
I know. It's 35 degrees.
I know it's 35 degrees.
2.
Hey, I like your new shoes. Thank you.
Hi, I like your shoe. I like your new
New shoes.
New shoes. New shoes.
You. They're really nice, aren't they?
They're fantastic.
Thank you. They are really nice, aren't they?
They are fantastic.
They are fantastic.
3.
I live in a very small apartment.
I live in a very small apartment.
How many bedrooms do you have?
How many bedrooms do you have?
Only one.
Only one.
4.
How much is that watch?
How much is that watch?
£250.
250 pounds.
Wow, that's too expensive for me.
Wow, that's too expensive for me.
5.
Your name's Peter, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
Ah,
Your name is Peter, isn't right?
Isn't it?
Yes, isn't it? Yes, that's right.
nice to meet you, Peter.
Nice to meet you, Peter.
Reading and writing. पढ़ना और लिखना. An email from Dubai. दुबई से एक ईमेल आई है. Look at the email. ईमेल पर देखें. Read and listen. पढ़ें और सुनें. HH.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
7.9.
Hi, Tom.
An email from Dubai.
Hi, Dom. I'm on holiday in Dubai this month.
Hi, Tom. I'm on holiday in Dubai this month.
Our hotel is fantastic, really new and comfortable, and really near the Burj Al Arab.
Our hotel is fantastic, really new and comfortable, and really near the Burj Al Arab.
I'm here with my best friend, Helen.
I'm here with my best friend, Helen.
She's really nice and funny.
She's really nice and funny.
The food is international and delicious.
The food is international and delicious.
I like all the restaurants at the hotel, but the Indian restaurant is my favourite.
I like all the restaurants and the hotel, but the Indian restaurant is my favorite.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Dubai is an interesting place, very modern.
Dubai is an interesting place, very modern.
It's really hot, too hot to walk. We always travel by car.
It's really hot, too hot to walk. We always travel by car.
All the buildings are so big and tall.
All the buildings are so big and tall.
The Burj Khalifa has 163 floors.
The Burj Khalifa has 163 floors.
जरा होल्ड करें एक मिनट. Okay.
The view is amazing.
Next. Next student, Masuma. Nahid Parveen.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
सर जहाँ पर छुट्टी गुजारी है बस वही एक दिन लिखना है बस।
हाँ, ये सारा लिखना है, ये पूरे ईमेल लिखनी है आपने। ये फॉर्मेट लिखा हुआ है, इस फॉर्मेट पे ईमेल लिखनी है।
अच्छा वेदर क्या था, खुराक क्या की थी वहाँ पे, लोग क्या थे,
अन्य लोग कैसे थे?
सब ये सारा लिखना है।
बिल्कुल, ये सारा लिखना है।
ओके अभी लिखें।
ये अभी लिखें।
Hi, I'm Ibn Shati. I'm
यहाँ
on
पे तो
holidays.
सब्जेक्ट मारे। ये जो हाई के
जी
साथ हम उस बंदे का नाम लिखते हैं जिसको हम ईमेल करते हैं, ठीक है? अपना नाम नहीं लिखते। किसको आप ईमेल कर रहे हैं?
शाजिब को सर।
शाजिब को। तो यहाँ पे लिखें हाय शाजिब।
जी
नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट।
Hi Shazib. Hi Shazib. I am on holidays in Lucknow and it's very interesting place. The people are friendly here. The food is awesome here. The weather is too cold nowadays. See you soon. Love, but Ibn Shati.
चलिए, इट इज़
सही है
एन इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस अगर लिखते तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होता। और the people and the food is awesome here and the weather is too cold these days लिखते तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होता। ठीक है?
जी
फिर see you soon, फिर लव के साथ अपना बंदा नाम लिख देता है। ठीक है?
ओके सर।
फिर लव फ्रॉम। बाकी स्टूडेंट भी जरा स्पीड बढ़ाएं।